So today we start again unit and measurement chapter, and today we study about errors. What is errors? How to eliminate during the observation errors. Okay. So first of all, I define what is error. So error is to be defined by true value minus measured value. Okay. That is meaning, for example, if I am taking gravitation acceleration, so gravitation acceleration have value (9.8 meter per second square). So this is called here true value. That means actual and real. For example, someone measured gravitational acceleration by a method, and the first student report 9.9 meter per second square. Similarly, second one student report the value is 9.10 meter per second square. Third one report to suppose 9.7 meter per second square, and it may be possible someone get the actual one, that is 9.8 meter per second square. So here we have four sets for gravitational acceleration, but actual value is here 9.8. If I put all the values in this identity, so what we get? 9.8 minus 9.9, this equals to 0.1. Similarly, 9.8 minus 9.10, this is here 0.2. 9.8 minus 9.7, this equals to 0.1, and 9.8 minus 9.8, it is equal to 0. Okay. So here we observe errors may be negative, errors may be positive, or errors may be 0. So errors negative, positive, or 0, it depends on the observation. So via this identity we easily calculate how much error in or during the experiment. Okay. Now we come to next, types of error. How many types of error is there? So errors may be classified in broadly first one is during the mathematics step. Second one is here gross error, random error, okay, and similarly different types in mathematics. So again, second part is to be related again, mathematical error. Okay. Mean absolute, random, and so on. So one by one here we discuss. First of all, we discuss here mathematical part error. So errors may be occur during the addition part, during the subtraction part, during the multiplication part, during the division part, and if suppose common factor is like this in powers, so in power part we also find out the error. So here today we discuss additional error, subtractional, multiplication, division and power error part. Number one, additional error. So let's suppose we have two numerical number. Okay, one is A and another one is to be B. So this is we have actual value A and B. Now as per additional error, so additional means x is equals to suppose A plus B. This is called here actual one result, or we can say true. Actual or true value. Okay. Now suppose in A part error is to be plus. As we know that errors may be positive, negative or zero. So maybe some part during addition, during subtraction part. So for example, if suppose A is to 2, B is to be 3. So 2 plus 3 this is equal to 5. But someone when calculate the value of A, so it maybe reaches 1.9, maybe 2.1, but not actually 2. So what we may observe here, it may be 2.1, it may be 1.9. So maybe plus or maybe minus. So here I am taking A, maybe plus, maybe minus, del of A. Similarly, plus sign remains same. During the calculation of B also, B plus minus del of B, and obviously when result is affected by del A and del B, so final result is also affected x plus minus del of x. Okay, here the meaning of del. Here del denotes very small variation. The meaning of this del is here. This triangle shows very small value. The reason behind it, errors may be very minute. Otherwise, result is totally changed. So error is always slightly maybe increase or slightly maybe decrease, but not there is a vast difference between them. Okay, so here del symbol denotes very small value, maybe in points, 0.01, point something, 0.0. Now we simplify this equation. So A remains same, plus minus del A remains same, plus remains same, again plus minus del of B. So when we calculate it, A plus B, similarly plus minus del A plus minus del B, and this equals to x plus minus del of x. Okay. Now what we observe here, we compare first and third equation. So A plus B is to be substituted by x. So A plus B is to be substituted by x here. x plus minus del of x. A plus b is denoted by again x plus minus del a plus minus del of b. Now x to x here cancel out, so result is to be plus minus del x. This equals to plus minus del a and plus minus del of b. So this is the final result of additional error. Via this numerical identity, we easily calculate the error during the addition. I am taking one example. If suppose a student observe the value of resistance R1 is to be 2 plus minus 0.1 ohm, R2 second resistance 3 plus minus 0.2 ohm, and to find out the net resistance, okay, in series. So as per the identity, R is equal to R1 plus R2. So because of error del A and del B, so we have 3 plus 2 5, and as per the identity del A plus minus del B, so 0.2 and 0.1, this is plus minus 0.3. So this is the resistance during the series calculation. Okay. Next we come to subtractional error. So let me have again two numerical numbers a and b. Okay. Now we come to subtractional part. So obviously result x is to be equal to a minus b. This denotes here actual or true value when we take the observation. Okay. Now if we include the error part, when we include the error part, so a plus minus del of a. Similarly, minus sign remains same, b plus minus del of b, and when result is affected, when observation is to be affected, so obviously result is also affected by a small amount. So x plus minus del of x. Now again, like previous one, we simplify. So a remains same, minus b remains same, plus minus del of a minus plus del of b, and this equals to x plus minus del of x. So again what we observe here, a minus b, this equals to x. So a minus b is to be replaced by x. So x remains same, plus minus del of x, x plus minus del of a, minus plus, so maybe written as plus minus or minus plus same, del of b. Now again x and x is to be cancelled out, so final result is to be plus minus del of x, this equals to plus minus del of a and plus minus del of b. This shows here subtractional error. So we may conclude that here additional and subtractional error remains same. Okay, again I take example. If suppose we have two values, a is equals to 2 plus minus 0.1 ohm, b is equals to 3 plus minus 0.01 ohm, and if we find out subtractional error, so as per the result del A del b, so 0.1 and 0.01, so obviously answer is here 0.1 and 1. This is here subtractional error. Next we come to third one, multiplicational error. multiplication error. Again, like in previous one, a and b, two numerical number. So because of multiplication, now x is equals to a cross b. This is here actual or true value. Now we include the error. So a plus minus del a, b plus minus del of b, and obviously result is now x plus minus del of x. Now we take common a and b. So when we take common a, inside 1 plus minus del a upon a, b 1 plus minus del b upon b, and this equals to x plus minus 1 plus minus del x upon x. Now we multiply. So it is here a cross b, 1 into 1 1, 1 into del b upon b plus minus del a upon a. Now plus minus del a upon a with del b upon b, and here x 1 plus minus del x upon x. Now a cross b is to be replaced by x, so this is to be cancelled here. Remaining is 1 plus minus del x upon x. This equals to 1 plus minus del a upon a, del b upon b plus minus del a upon a into del b upon b. Now 1 to 1 here cancel out. As I told you earlier, del is equals to very small quantity. That means we have to multiply 0.1 into suppose 0.002. So it is also very small. That is why we neglect. Because of very small value. So we get here del x upon x, del a upon a, del b upon b. So this denotes here multiplication error. Thank you.